Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and look what that is over there. That's right, this is the second street unboxing of today, and and I didn't expect to do this one today, but I've offloaded a bunch of phones, and I know you guys were asking if I was ever gonna get this phone, but guess what? Here it is, guys. This is the Mi A2 Lite. And check it out right there. Have it in its full glory right here, the Mi A2 Lite. Look at that. That is awesome right there. And so guess what? That's two Android One phones unboxed in one day. Now obviously you're probably wondering, why am I unboxing so many Android One phones in one day? Well, guess what? I've been doing videos on the Redmi 6 Pro for the last like month and a half. And you know what? Like, it was time to get rid of the Redmi 6 Pro. I've kind of reached my end with it, and I really want to compare the Nokia X6 to this phone. I know you guys in the comment section were saying, compare the Mi A2 Lite, the proper one, to the Nokia X6. Well, guess what? That's what I'm doing right now, and that's why I got this phone right here. And you see it there in the background. I did get the 4GB version. Let me kind of show you guys real quick which version I got right here. It's the 4GB version, 64 gigabytes of RAM of storage right there. And I wanted to get the blue version, but they didn't have it, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm happy to, you know, compare these two. And so now that I have both of the Android One phones from Xiaomi this year, I'm going to be comparing these two in a video very soon. So stay tuned for that Mi A2 Lite versus Xiaomi Mi A2 video coming up very soon. Now, what do I like about this phone? Obviously, it's got the more kind of, you know, modern kind of notch look. I mean, some of you people hate that, but you know what? Like, this has got a 79% screen to body ratio. Now, what are the bad things about it? It's a Snapdragon 625. It's got a slower processor, obviously, versus the 660 in the Mi A2. So it's not going to be as kind of future-proof in that way. But I'm curious to see how this is the same processor that was running on the Mi A1. So how does this translate to like a phone in this day and age? So I'm curious to see what what you're able to get from this phone, and I'm definitely excited to kind of share my experiences with you guys on the Mi A2 Lite here. So I'm going to be comparing this phone, and I'm going to be kind of redoing my camera review between this phone and the Mi X6 proper. I'm going to be doing it like all over again, because I took shots with the Redmi 6 Pro, but I'm going to be doing them with this phone and see if it actually makes a difference. But you know what? I feel like at home here, guys, because I got stock Android and I got stock Android, man. Oh man, I love stock Android, and I've missed it, and I miss it. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I like the actual wallpaper on this Mi A2 Lite better than the one on the Xiaomi Mi A2. It looks better. I love that ocean look. It looks beautiful. You know, so far, just kind of like responsiveness. I haven't set up the whole phone completely, but I can't wait to set it up and kind of like do my whole thing with it. I think I might have it set up already, at least with my Gmail. There's Frankie Tech, I can see up there. So, you know, I'm excited to kind of like put it through its paces and really compare to see what it's like. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, oh, why don't you compare this with the Redmi 6 Pro? I don't have the Redmi 6 Pro anymore. I'm done with the Redmi 6 Pro. I've done a million videos with the Redmi 6 Pro. That phone obviously is done, and I'm ready to review this Mi A2 Lite here. So stay tuned for that one, guys. And anyways, I know you guys are all asking about that battery drain video, and you know, I'm definitely going to be releasing that very soon, guys. I'm going to give you a little hint though to that battery drain video. To all you Mi Max 3 lovers out there, prepare to be disappointed, because at least the current results that I got are not boding well. And I'm as shocked as you are, because I was the one who was saying that the Mi Max 3 was the battery king. So stay tuned for that video, guys. But yeah, it's been, I almost want to kind of redo the test. I'm going to release a video with my first findings. I may do a redo in the next week and see maybe a part 2, see how that goes. But stay tuned, guys, because that video took a lot of effort. I was up till 2 a.m. beyond last night doing that video. So I'm absolutely exhausted, but you know what? It doesn't matter. I'm here to make videos. I'm here to make content for you guys. So stay tuned, guys. Anyway, that's the Mi A2 Lite right here on Frankie Tech. Stay tuned. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up right there. If you love the content I've been doing, you know, definitely check out, you know, and subscribe to the channel so you can be, I guess, on the update and stay current with what's going on with Frankie Tech. So I'll leave you with that, but there they are. And I think that's gonna drop it. Oh, there, it dropped it. Let's hold these up just on their own then. The Mi A2 and the Mi A2 Lite. Stay tuned, guys. There's a lot of great content coming from my channel, and thanks for watching. Thanks for the support always. And this is where I leave you by saying this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.